welcome back. Looks like we got a little bit of stuff. Not much. They're winding down at this place. They are winding. Oh, hey buddy. I'll take you, wherever you are. Ada, I don't know where it is. It's garbage wire. We'll just say garbage wire. How about that? That's not too bad. Oh, it's been rainy rain in my neck of the woods, so making videos have just not been happening. I apologize now, and I won't apologize again. Let's get with it. Yeah, this place I think is about done. Doing construction, that's for sure. That's for sure. That's all stripped down there. It's all stripped. Maybe a little bit more in there too. Huh. Interesting. Right here. A little bit of aluminum. No wire in there. Just aluminum. Oh, hey, that's a nice little piece of copper. Just laying there. Hi. Oh, I almost thought that was a piece of wood. Sorry about the camera. There you go. Alright, empty out the box. Saw something in there. Rainy, wet weather. Alright. Done. Next box. Next box. Aluminum. It's all just aluminum, no wire in there. It's all stripped. Oh, almost missed you. Alright, next box. Try to whip through these boxes quick. Skibbly scabbly copper skibbles. Alright, let's get on that one. Next box is nothing. Nice little bag. Anything? Dirty pillow. Gross. We'll say no. It's a nice stool for the landfill, I guess. Plastic. These in here. Stripped. Alrighty. Cruising through. This box has nothing. Pull. Working my way around here quick. Stripped wire. Garbage. Oh, see a little bit of wire? Yes, we do. I'll take you, honeycomb. Wire. Bar. Metal. Possible aluminum. Metal. Wire. Skibbly. Get to that in a second. Wire, metal, wire, paint, garbage, wire, paint. Number one wire right here. Trying to be quick. Number one. Skibbly, that's all stripped down there. It's got paint all over it. Sometimes I swear they just get paint all over this crap on purpose. I'm like, yeah, I'll just put like paint on there. I'm not gonna take that. It's disgusting. Wire under that paint. There is actually wire in there. Wire, very bright. Metal. Aluminum. Okay. Metal. Hey, it's kind of a mix of stripped wire and not stripped wire. Some big chunks in it. Look at that thing. It's crazy. Piece of aluminum. Actually, my yard calls that aluminum sheet. I don't know how or why. Like, it's not a sheet, is it? I don't know. I don't get it. I don't get it. Garbage. Nothing. Bare bright. Actually, that wouldn't be bare bright. That's like number 2 wire. Number 2 copper. Just that. These are just that's it. skibbly skabbly, jubbly wobbly. And that's it for the show. Scoobly woobly. Stuff's pretty good, so. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, and hopefully your state's a little bit more sunny than mine. We got rain, rain, rain for the next couple days. So have a good one. Peace.